How to download Google Drive on Amazon Fire Tablet. First of all, you will need to go to the App Store, so click on the Amazon Apps icon on the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet. Then click the top right hand corner where you see the little magnifying glass icon. Then you can type in Google Drive. You should be able to see the logo pop up there, so you can click on that. Then once you get onto the Google Drive section, you can click on Get on the right hand side of the screen. Then it should say in the middle, it should say free download, download as a green button. You want to click on that green button, download. Then it should take you a few seconds to download it and install onto your Amazon Fire Tablet. And then once it's fully installed and downloaded, you can click open on this page here, or you can go to the home page of your Amazon Fire Tablet, click on the Google Drive app. Then you can go ahead and log in with an existing account, or you can even create a new Google Drive account and use it from there. Leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.